So hi all. Today I'm going to discuss about accounts payable configuration. First, we will define account group with screen layout. Account group is grouping the similar accounts into one group. Then create number ranges for vendor account. Assign number ranges to vendor. Then document types for entry view. The document types which use for vendor transactions are KA, KG, KR, and KZ. Then we will define document types for entry view in ledger. After that, define document types for general ledger view, and then define document number ranges for entry view. And after that, we will define document number ranges for general ledger view. And after that, we will define tolerance debit for vendors. So let's see in SAP how we can do these configurations. Go to SPRO in the IMG field. Okay. Here you have to go to financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable. Then you have to go to vendor accounts, master data, and then preparations for creating vendor master data. And here we have to go to define account groups with screen layout for vendors. So I will create two accounts group, one for domestic vendor and one for foreign vendor. I will give the account group as AL01, which is domestic vendor in ALLO. And here we have to go to the field status group. So it is mandatory to make the reconciliation account is to be made mandatory. So we will go to company code data because reconciliation account at the time of creation of the vendor, we have to assign this to the reconciliation account. Okay. Accounts management, and here you can see here the reconciliation account. We will make it required entry. And after this, save this. Okay. And again, we will create the next account group, which is foreign vendor AL02. Okay. And the name foreign vendor in ALLO. Okay. So after this, we have to go to company code data and make the reconciliation account field mandatory. And save this. Now we will create the number ranges for vendor account. Go back. You could see here, create number ranges for vendor accounts. Okay. Intervals. Here we will go to, we will create. First one will be, okay, it's A1 from number. Okay, without overlap, you have to maintain. Okay, A1 created. Now we have to create for A2. And we will save this. Okay. So after this, we will have to assign the number ranges to vendor. Go back. Here we have to assign number ranges to vendor account groups. Okay. So we have to take our vendor. This is the one we have created, AL01. In that, the number range will be A1. And for the foreign vendor, it's for A2. Okay, now we will save this. Okay. Now we will see the document types for entry view. Okay. Go back. Here we have to go to financial accounting global settings new. And in that we have to go to document. And here we have to go to document types. And here you can see that the document types for entry view. Okay. Here we will see all the document types. The document types which required for our vendor transactions are KA, KG, KR, and KZ. Okay. Here you could see inside this the number range and the account types allowed. The customer will not be allowed. Okay. Assets, vendor, material, and GL account. Okay. So we don't have to do any changes here. And go back. Go back. Here we will define document types for entry viewing ledger. Okay. So we will define the document types, that is KA, KG, KR, and KZ. Okay. So here we have to give our ledger. Regarding the ledger, I will giving a new session. Okay. So I'm giving the L5 as the ledger. Okay. After this, the ledgers we have to create. Go to new entries, and then you have to give your document types KG, and the number range will be 98 K, KR, and KZ. Okay. Here we have to give the number range 98, 98, and 98. After this, we will save this. Okay. Go back. Now we will have to define document types for general ledger view. Okay, again we will give the ledger. New entries. Here again we have to give the document types KG, KA, KR, and KZ. Okay, and the number range will be 98. And after this, save this. Okay. So after this, we have to define document number ranges for entry view. Go back. So here, document number ranges, documents in entry view, define document number ranges for entry view. Here we have to give our company code ALLO intervals. And here we have to maintain our, okay, which is 19 for KR, and also it's already created. So no need to create here. And also we have to create 17 for KG. Okay, so 17 we have to create here. Here 2020, from we will give 401 to 500. Okay. After this, we will save this. Okay. Now we will define document number ranges for general ledger view. Go back. And here you could see documents in general ledger view. Give you a company code, LLO, intervals. Here we have to create the number range. So we have to create for 19, which is for KR 2020 from 1 to 199 I'm creating. Okay. And then have to maintain 17 for KG. $200 to 399 I'm creating. Okay. And after this, save this. Now we have to define the tolerance limit for vendors. So for that, we have to go to accounts payable and accounts receivable and accounts payable. From there, we have to go to business transactions. Okay, after that, outgoing payments. And here we have to go to manual outgoing payments. And here we have to define tolerance for vendors. Okay. So here we will create new entry and the company code is ALLO. Okay. And here we have to give the permitted payment difference. So I'm giving 100 and the percentage 5% I'm giving. Same thing for loss. Okay. I'm giving 5%. And also permitted payment difference for automatic write-off. You can also define here. After this, save this. Okay. So I think you understood this concept. In the next video, I will be showing the vendor master creation and also how to post the vendor invoice. So thank you. That's all. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.